Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Preksha. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about rice water for hair growth and how to prepare rice water for effective results. Plus, I'm gonna share my experience with rice water as I am using this rice water for so long. As rice water has immense benefits for healthy, strong hair, so keep on watching. So the first thing that comes in our mind is why we should use rice water on our hair. So if you have colored hair, damaged hair or bleached hair, then you should try rice water at least once to see a visible change on your hair. So first thing is, if you have very damaged hair, frizzy and unmanageable hair, then it will help to detangle the hair, makes our hair smoother. So if you have dull hair, then this will make your hair shinier, and if you are having hair fall or dandruff problem, then this will prevent them and make your hair stronger and longer. So definitely try rice water on your hair at least twice a week to get maximum results. As studies have found that rice water has an ingredient called inositol, which is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair them from inside out. Now we get to know why we should use rice water on our hair and what are the benefits of it. So let's see how to prepare rice water. To prepare rice water, you will need 1.5 cup of uncooked rice. You can use any type of rice, brown rice, white rice or even wild rice. Add 2 to 3 cups of water, evenly wash it and then remove the water to get rid of impurities and dirt from rice, and then take all your rice and put it in a container or in any bowl that you want to store your rice, and add 2 to 3 cups of water or double water than your rice, like this. As ferment rice water has more benefits than plain rice water, so we will leave it for 24 hours, and if you don't have time, then you can leave it for 30 minutes and then you can use this rice water after straining it in a clean bowl. So now I'm gonna close the lid and I'm gonna leave it for 24 hours as I'm gonna use fermented rice water on my hair because it has more benefits and it makes my hair smoother, silkier and more healthier. And you don't have to put this rice water in a refrigerator, just put it in a normal temperature and leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm gonna strain it. Don't leave it for 48 hours or more than that because I think it smells bad if you ferment it for a longer period. After straining all the rice water, I'm gonna put it in a spray bottle because it is easier this way, and if you want to use directly, then you can pour rice water directly on your hair, but make sure to use any container under your hair so that you can use again and again. So you can see the before how my hair is looking tangled, frizzy, dry and unhealthy. So I'm gonna use rice water, but before I use that, I'm gonna wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner to clean my hair pretty well so that I can use rice water and get maximum results of it. So guys, don't put shampoo directly on your scalp. Try to dilute it with water first and then use it. So I'm gonna wash my hair and make them wet. Now I'm gonna use that shampoo with water. In this way you will need less shampoo and also chemicals will not affect your scalp directly. So now I'm gonna wash all my shampoo from my scalp and length and then remove all the excess water from my hair, and then I'm gonna use conditioner. So make sure you use conditioner on your hair length only, not on your scalp. Now I'm gonna tell you how to apply rice water on your hair. So if you have dry areas, like if you have split ends or dry hair ends, then focus on there. But if you have dry scalp, then focus on your scalp first. So I'm gonna focus on my scalp because it just really promote hair growth. Like I'm gonna divide my hair into smaller parts and then I'm gonna apply it and massage it. Apply it and massage it. You should apply like this all over your hair and evenly distribute it all over your scalp and hair length. Rice water is not only good for hair, but it is also good for our skin. As in Japan, when court ladies were known to have long beautiful hair that draped to the floor, their secret was rice water. They use rice water on your hair in day-to-day basis, and if you will use rice water, then your hair will become straight, healthier, silkier and more shinier. So guys, try this rice water and you can use this rice water twice a week to get maximum result, and don't use it more than that because it has protein in it, and if you will use it more than that, then it will make your hair dry and frizzy. So you should use it twice a week to get better result. Now you should massage your hair for 60 seconds after using rice water on your hair to make your hair more healthier and thicker, and it will also penetrate blood circulation on your head, which will help in regrow your hair and make your hair stronger. So why we should scalp massage? Because scalp massage has many benefits and it focuses on our hair follicles when they are stimulated. As a result of better circulation to the scalp, you get healthier and faster hair growth. Leave this for 20 minutes to 1 hour in a bun, not more than that, and results after wash. You can see my hair is looking beautiful, healthier, much more shinier, and also very silky. I will definitely recommend you guys to try rice water at least once to get beautiful results, as it makes our hair stronger, healthier, and if your hair is not growing, so try this rice water and you will see amazing results. Your hair will grow like crazy. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.